Welcome to The Explainer. Have you ever stopped to think about what's really powering your body? You know, the secret ingredients that let you heal, think, and move? Well, today, we're diving into the microscopic world of vitamins and minerals, the real unsung heroes of your health. Okay, so let's get right into it. Why all the fuss about vitamins and minerals anyway? Before we dig into the nitty-gritty, let's just be clear on why these tiny things are absolutely 100% non-negotiable for our health.
I mean, really, just think about it for a second. Your body is this incredible machine, right? It heals itself, it fights off germs, it somehow turns your lunch into actual energy, and it does it all on autopilot. So what's the secret sauce making all that magic happen? Yep, it's vitamins and minerals.
And this spark plug analogy, it is absolutely perfect. You could have a body full of the best fuel in the world, fats, carbs, protein, but without vitamins and minerals to ignite the whole process, none of it gets used. They are that essential spark that gets the engine running.
So we always hear vitamins and minerals said in the same breath, don't we? Like they're basically the same thing, but they're not. They're not the same thing at all. And knowing the difference is actually pretty crucial to understanding what our bodies really need.
First up, we've got vitamins. And the key word to remember here is organic. All that means is that they come from living things, plants and animals. You can think of them as these complex little helpers, and each one has a very, very specific job to do.
And then on the other side of the coin, we have minerals. These guys are inorganic. That means they come straight from the earth itself, the soil, the water. Plants absorb them, and then we get them either by eating the plants or, eating the animals that ate the plants.
And this difference has a huge practical impact. Because vitamins are organic, they're kind of fragile. Things like heat, air, or acid can just destroy them. It's why when you overcook your vegetables, you're literally stripping them of their power. Minerals, on the other hand, are way tougher. They hold on to their structure, which means they're much more likely to survive that whole journey from the farm to your plate. So we know vitamins are organic, but the story doesn't stop there. They're actually split into two key groups, and it all comes down to how our bodies handle them.
Now, this is a really crucial distinction. You have fat-soluble vitamins, like A, D, E, and K, which your body can actually store in your fat tissue for a rainy day. But the water-soluble ones, like vitamin C and all the B vitamins, it can't. Whatever your body doesn't use right away just gets flushed out. That's exactly why you need a steady supply of vitamin C every day, but your body can build up a reserve of vitamin D from the summer sun to use later on.
Okay, so this is all great info, but it leads us to the most important question of all, right? How do we actually get these nutrients? How do we keep our body's engine tuned up and ready to go?
And the answer is actually way simpler than you might think. Sure, supplements can help, but our main source should always be real food. And you want the easiest rule of thumb? A colorful plate is a healthy plate.
The key here is just variety. You see, different colors in fruits and vegetables often mean there are different nutrients inside. So by eating a whole wide range of foods, we're talking dark leafy greens, bright red berries, orange carrots, nuts, seeds, grains, you're essentially creating your own perfect all-natural multivitamin.
All right, let's bring all this home. If there's just one thing to remember from all of this, it's not the complicated chemical names. It's a single, really powerful idea.
This is it right here. The goal isn't to become a biochemist overnight. The goal is to just adopt one simple habit. Aim for variety and color on your plate. If you do that, you're pretty much guaranteed to be getting the wide spectrum of vitamins and minerals your body needs to thrive without having to overthink it at all.
So, we're going to leave you with this one question. The next time you sit down to eat, just take a second and look at your plate. Is it a vibrant mix of colors, or is it mostly, beige? Answering that one simple question could be the most powerful nutritional step you take.